everyone, it's Amber Dawn. Today's video we're going to do another unboxing of a Thredup rescue box. This will be my third Thredup rescue box video. The first two I will link in the description below. One of them was an unboxing of 50 tops, and then the second video was an unboxing of 7 pairs of shoes. This box is another box that I have not gotten before. This is their fun box. It's supposed to be 10 items for $22, and it's a fun box, so you have no clue what's going to be inside. I don't know what I'm going to get. I haven't gotten this before, so let's see what's inside. And it also comes in a cute little box. I love the size of this box, and I will reuse this. I reuse all my boxes in general, but this is a really cute size box. So when you open it up, polka dots, and then the invoice, let me just make sure. Yes, so rescue box, fun box, it's $22. I don't know what's inside, so let's find out. Okay, so the first item is a hat, and this is a men's hat, and I know that because of the tag. It's a new with tag hat. This is a brand that Corey wears, Goodfellow. It's from Target. They have a lot of, like basic tees. I love their basic tees for Corey, and it's just a good brand for Target. And it still has all the new packaging in it. Hats are not something that I've probably resold a few of them, but they've all been new. I do not buy used hats. Just going through cosmetology school, I wouldn't use used hats, but unless you've cleaned them really well. So this one's still brand new with tags, and the price is taken off, so I'm guessing this might have been a Christmas gift or something and someone didn't want it, so they sent it in to Thredup. So that's the first item, first of 10. So a pair of slippers. These look new. They're packaged. They have, it looks like V on them. It's a gold V. I mean, I don't know what I would do with these. I'm giving my friend V, if you want these, just let me know. But they're just a white pair, and it looks like V in script, gold script, but they're brand new, so V, let me know. The next item is a iPhone 5 case from Sac Roots. Okay, so I'm looking at this. I didn't know that this was stuff that Thredup carried. I just assumed it was shoes and clothing, and I didn't realize that they had home goods as well. So that's cool. An iPhone 5 case. This is new, so 3 out of the 10 items so far have been new, so that's good. $22. I don't think this is a bad price so far, and it's a fun little print. I'll probably list this on POSHMARK or eBay. Maybe Mercari as well, but I see it going on eBay. So if you want it, just let me know. Next item is Wrapped. Sealing deal since 2009. So I don't know what could be in this box. Oh, jewelry. So first is this bracelet, and I know I've seen them before. I don't know the brand, but I have seen these bracelets before. I don't really sell jewelry. It's just not up my alley, something to resell. But so there's this one, so that's one. And then there's this, which has a tag that says $11 on it. To vous, I don't know. And it's got their social media and stuff on it, but it looks just like a minimal necklace. I don't know. And then the next one is, this all came in this little box. The next one is a little charm. I don't know, you see these necklaces way back in the day. My mom used to wear these. And you have, you know, like her, my dad, my brother, me, we all have the colors of our birthstones. So this is August. So this is actually my mom's birth month. So Mom, if you want this, let me know. So those 3 pieces came in this, and I don't know if they count that as one, because I see a few other pieces. 3, 6, yeah, I think this might count as one in this box. Also, if you know the brand of this bracelet, please let me know in the comments. Right there. The next item, I have no clue what this is. Maybe fake piercing, fake tattoo, I don't know. It says Fine Touch Fancy Bindi. Do you know this? It says in made in India or marketed by India. Do you know what this is? Let me know if you do. But it comes in cute little colors. I see pink. So I have no clue what this could be. It's cute, but I don't know what it is. So that's 3rd, 4th. So this is the 5th thing. Or if all those bracelets and stuff were counted, then it would be the 7th. Actually, I think that is, because I only see 3 more things in here. So that jewelry. Okay. Next is a pair of socks. It says keep your socks on. Ladies, sock size, shoes. Oh, wait a minute. So that looks like Dillard's proof of purchase. They have the grippies on the bottom. Guess it would be cute for someone for winter. I might just list it. This would be a good stocking stuffer for Christmas. Next one is a purple scarf. So this one doesn't have any tags or anything. It's just a purple scarf with some fringe on the bottom. Basic purple scarf. I love pink, purples. And the last item, it looks like. Yep. So the last item. Badia? Y'all know that brand? Badia? I don't know, I've never heard of it, but yeah, it's a cute little, it's colors, it's just, you know, opens, and then there's a zipper also on the inside. What do you guys think? This box was okay. I probably would purchase another one of these boxes just because it was random categories. I didn't know what I was going to get. When I purchased the shoes and the tops, obviously I knew it was going to be shoes and tops. So this was fun. We got, I don't know what that is, and then some fun jewelry, which those counted as 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yep. And then we got the slippers that are going to go to V, and then a hat, scarf, and socks, and then the iPhone 5 case. One of the ones that I watched before purchasing this, she got, it was like a bag, and it might have been a Kate Spade, something like this, like a Kate Spade. And then she also got brand new Victoria's Secret house shoes, which are actually a pair that I have. So I was like, wow, her box is really good, all for $22. I'll order one. This box probably a 5 out of 10. What do you guys think? Do you like these items? Have you used these items before? Let me know. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll see you next time.